Good evening friends. Welcome in my YouTube channel Gupta Ji Ki Pathshala. Friends, today is 14th April 2025 and first of all, happy Ambedkar Jayanti to all of you friends. Friends, we are discussing here weekly current affairs since 8th April to 14th April 2025. Let's see first question friends. Question is, the new Pamban rail bridge connects which island to the mainland? Answer is Rameswaram. Next question, when was the 62nd National Maritime Day of India celebrated? Answer is 5th April 2025. Next question, India has been selected as a member of the expert group of which organization for the term 2025 to 2027? Answer is ISAR, it means International Accounting and Reporting. Next question friends, what is the theme of World Health Day 2025? Answer is Healthy Start, Hopeful Future, and day was celebrated 7th April. Next question, the Koch Rajbongshi community is mainly found in which region of India? Answer is Northeast. Next question, which country recently honored Prime Minister Narendra Modi with its highest civilian award Mitra Vibhushan? Answer is Sri Lanka. Next question, which state will host the 7th edition of Khelo India Youth Games 2025? Answer is Bihar. Next question, which organization designed and developed the Hansa 3 training aircraft? Answer is CSIR and National Aerospace Laboratories, it means NAL, Bangalore. Next question, Ionian Island recently in the news are located in which country? Answer is Greece. Next question, which state recorded the highest economic growth rate in India for the financial year 2024-25? Answer is Tamil Nadu. Next question, recently the Global Connectivity Scheme is being implemented by which ministry of the Government of India? Answer is Ministry of Culture. Next question, recently which state's Chapata chili, it means tomato chili, has got the geographical indication tag? Answer is Telangana. Next question, as per the Network Readiness Index 2025, India is at what rank among 170 countries? Answer is 36th and first rank was Finland. Next question, which metro will start the country's first metro corridor? Answer is Delhi Metro Rail Corporation, it means DMRC. Next question, to whom was the Fred Darrington Sandmaster Award recently presented? Answer is Sudarshan Patnaik. Next question, Saudi Arabia has temporarily banned visas for citizens of which country or countries? Answer is Saudi Arabia has temporarily banned visas for citizens of 14 countries including India, Pakistan and Bangladesh. Next question, Prime Minister Narendra Modi also started railway projects during his recent visit to Sri Lanka. Which statement is correct in this regard? All the statements are correct. Answer is all the statements are correct. First statement is friends, PM Modi also flagged off the 128 km long Maho-Omanthai railway line in Sri Lanka. Next statement, it has been renovated by India with the assistance of $91.2 million, about rupees 780 crore. Third statement is, PM Modi also inaugurated the construction of a modern signalling system from Maho to Anuradhapura, made possible with India's grant assistance of $14.8 million, about rupees 127 crore. All the above are correct. Answer is all the above are correct. Next question, a rare long-snouted snake, Ahetulla longirostris, has been rediscovered in which tiger reserve? Answer is Dudhwa Tiger Reserve and first time discovered in Valmiki Tiger Reserve in Bihar. Next question, in which state is the Madhavpur Ghed Mela organized every year? Answer is Gujarat. Next question. River blindness recently seen in the news is a neglected tropical disease caused by? Answer is parasites. Next question. President Draupadi Murmu was honored with the City Key of Honor in which country's capital? Answer is Lisbon, Portugal. Next question. Who has been recently appointed as the new CEO of Oman India Joint Investment Fund? Answer is Satish Chava. Next question. What is the theme of Poshan Pakhwada 2025 being celebrated by the Department of Drinking Water and Sanitation? It means DDWS. Answer is Healthy Childhood through Clean Water and Sanitation. Next question. Who has become the first Indian cricketer to score 13,000 runs in T20 cricket? Answer is Virat Kohli. Next question. Padam Shri Ram Sahai Pandey, who passed away recently, was associated with which traditional folk dance? Answer is Rai. Next question. What is the name of the new policy launched by the Government of India to consolidate regional rural bank? It means RRBs. Answer is One State, One RRB. Next question. Which medal did Hitesh Gulia win at the World Boxing Cup 2025 in Brazil? Answer is gold. Next question. 10 years of Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana have been completed. When was it started? Answer is 8th April 2015. Answer is 8th April 2015. Next question. Who has inaugurated the Vinod Dham Center of Excellence for Semiconductors and Microelectronics at Delhi Technology University? It means DTU. Answer is Ashwini Vaishnav. Next question. Where will the 13th round of India-UK Economic and Financial Dialogue, it means 13 EFD, be held? Answer is London. It means London. Next question is, who has been appointed as the new executive director by Equitas Small Finance Bank? Answer is Balaji Nuthlapadi. Balaji Nuthlapadi. Answer. Next question. Which country signed the Artemis Accord with NASA on non-military space exploration? Answer is Bangladesh. Next question. Which country has launched a 3.2 meter aperture radio and millimeter wave telescope 3 Gorges Antarctic Eye? Answer is China. Next question. Which state has reported the discovery of 2000-year-old megalithic remains in April 2025? Answer is Kerala. Next question. PSLV Orbital Experimental Module 4, it means POEM4, is a space research platform developed by which space organization? Answer is Indian Space Research Organization, it means ISRO. Next question. Mount Kanlaon, which was in the news recently, is located in which country? Answer is Philippines. Next question. Which country has recently proposed a global climate council before COP30? Answer is Brazil. Next question. What percentage of tariff has America announced on China? Answer is 125%. Next question. Who has participated in the 3rd Conference of Agriculture Ministers of BIMSTEC countries in Nepal? Answer is Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Next question. Who was inaugurated the Homeopathic Conference in Gandhinagar on World Homeopathy Day? Answer is Pratap Rao Jadhav. Next question. Who has become the new captain of the England cricket team? Answer is Harry Book. Next question. Who has become the first African woman to become Commonwealth Secretary General? Answer is Shirley Bochwe. Next question. Who has become the new president of the International Olympic Committee? It means IOC. Answer is Christy Coventry. Next question. In which UT or state was the first calf born through advanced embryo transfer technology? Answer is Puducherry. Next question. Recently, how many crores has the Union Cabinet allocated for irrigation modernization? Answer is rupees 1,600 crore. Next question. What does the Panchayat Advancement Index, it means PAI, launched by the Ministry of Panchayati Raj, evaluate? Answer is progress of Gram Panchayats. Next question. The Monetary Policy Committee of the Reserve Bank of India has fixed the repo rate at what percent? Answer is 6%. Next question. Next question is, World Homeopathy Day is celebrated to commemorate whose birth anniversary? Answer is Dr. Samuel, and day was celebrated 10th of April. Next question. Who has launched the career guidance program in aviation for school students at the Indian Aviation Academy? Answer is Ram Mohan Naidu. Next question. Recently, Thiru Kumari Ananthan has passed away at the age of 93. Who was he? Answer is Indian politician. Next question. H-130 helicopter fuselage manufacturing contract has been signed between Airbus and which company? Answer is Mahindra Aerostructure Private Limited. Next question. Where will India's largest petrochemical plant be set up? Answer is Odisha. Next question. When has the Waqf Amendment Act 2025 come into force across the country after being passed by the Parliament and signed by the President? Answer is 8th of April 2025 or April 8th 2025. Next question is, which rocket with 3 astronauts recently took off from the Baikonur Launch Center in Kazakhstan for the International Space Station, it means ISS, in April 2025? Answer is Soyuz booster rocket. Next question. Which country's government has issued 3,751 additional visas to Indian Sikh pilgrim for Baisakhi festival for the first time in 50 years? Answer is Pakistan. Next. Where was the Himalayan High Altitude Atmospheric and Climate Center launched for the first time? Answer is Udhampur, Jammu Kashmir. Next question. What is the name of the scheme recently launched by METI to promote manufacturing of electronic components? Answer is Electronics Components Manufacturing Scheme. Electronics Component Manufacturing Scheme. Next question is, the Registrar General of India works under which ministry? Answer is Ministry of Home Affairs. Next question. According to the Panchayat Advancement Index, it means PAI, which state has the highest number of leading Gram Panchayats? Answer is Gujarat, and second position was Telangana. Next question is, recently PM Narendra Modi inaugurated and laid the foundation stone of development project worth how much amount in Varanasi? Answer is 3,880 crore rupees. Next question. In which city was a state-of-the-art black box lab equipped with DFDR and CVR inaugurated recently? Answer is New Delhi. Next question. Recently Hari Datt Kapadi was passed away. He was associated with which sport? Answer is basketball. Next question. MOU was signed between India and Chile to enhance cooperation in startup and SME sector. Answer is India SME Forum and Pro Chile. Next question is, friends, on which date is the National Safe Motherhood Day observed every year in India? Answer is 11th April. And theme was Healthy Beginnings, Hopeful Future. Next question. Where was the Global Technology Summit GTS 2025 held? Answer is New Delhi. Next question. What is the name of the mission launched by the government in 2025 to enhance self-sufficiency in the critical minerals sector? Answer is National Critical Minerals Mission. Next question. According to a recent study in Madagascar, which species has been identified as the sole carrier of hantavirus? Answer is black rat. Next question. From which country have the Rafale M or Marine fighter jets been acquired? Answer is France. Next question is which state is the host of the National Tribal Youth Festival 2025? Answer is Mizoram. Next question. Tahavoor Rana is connected to which major terrorist incident? Answer is 26/11 Mumbai attack. Next question. In which format will cricket be played at the Los Angeles 2028 Olympic? Answer is T20. Next question. In which country was President Draupadi Murmu recently awarded an honorary doctorate degree? Answer is Slovakia. Next question. Which country has recently built the world's first 3D printed train station in record time? Answer is Japan. Next question. When is International Human Space Flight Day celebrated? Answer is 12 April. It means 12th April. Next question. Which former England fast bowler was recently awarded the title of knighthood? Answer is James Anderson. Next question. Which state has launched AI Rising Grand Challenge to address problems in the public sector? Answer is Telangana. Next question. Where will the upcoming Waves Summit 2025 be held? Answer is Mumbai. Next question. Where was the 8th meeting of the Joint Committee on ASEAN-India Goods Trade Agreement concluded? Answer is New Delhi. Next question. Where was the first edition of the biennial Naval Commanders Conference held? Answer is New Delhi. Next question. Which city is the host of the Stree Summit 2025's Women's Safety and Empowerment? Answer is Hyderabad. Next question. Legionnaire disease recently in the news is caused by which? Answer is. Next question is Noctiluca scintillans is mainly responsible for which natural phenomenon recently observed in the backwaters of Kerala? Answer is bioluminescence. Bioluminescence is answer. On which day is World Parkinson Day observed every year? Answer is 11th April. Next question. BM-04 is a short-range ballistic missile. It means SRBM developed by which organization? Answer is Defense Research and Development Organization. It means DRDO. Next question. What is the index of industrial production? It means IIP used for in India. Answer is measuring the performance and growth of industrial sector. Next question. What is the Gaurav successful tested by DRDO in April 2025? Answer is a long-range glide bomb. Next question. Who is considered the first woman teacher of India? Answer is Savitribai Phule. Friends, today's session is end, and friends, please subscribe, like, share and comment on my YouTube channel Gupta Ji Ki Pathshala. Thank you. Good night.